Everyone was talking about the big storm. First they said a foot, then it was 18 to 24, and all the way up to 3 feet I even heard. And so before everything got covered by the snow, we went through all the rocks and designed the hearth for our basement, which we were currently renovating. I had never built a hearth before, and this project had me anxious. But before the big storm, there were plenty of dustings. It seemed like I was plowing every other day, which meant that winter was on a beautiful track. We hadn't yet skied or snowmobiled, but these last few squalls had us just about ready. I was supposed to be editing right now, but I gotta push it off. This snowstorm is just too beautiful. And on one particular morning, I chased the winter beauty in old Merlot and ended up at the little red house where I grew up to warm up by the wood stove. And eventually, I got back to editing, and my friend Mitch showed up for some final touches on our mini splits and our electric system.
You know what I mean? Yeah, that was good, right?
Yeah, anyway. Okay.
Oh,
That was right on target, though.
That was really good. You need to move out here.
Damn. I've been telling you.
Can you pull out 2 washers and 2 nuts from that bag?
And so we continued picking up materials and planning for the basement renovation, all while trying to stay balanced with other parts of life in the background. Don't mind my forehead. I got a nice little dinger the other day loading a snowmobile in the back of my truck. Just a flesh wound. But this has been the best winter I can remember in multiple ways. Not just the snow and the overall feeling, but a huge season of personal growth for me. Taking more time to focus on my health and my body, time away from the computer screen, just moving slower. I'm taking care of a lot of things that I neglected over the years, and it feels so good. I've developed this really, really nice morning routine. I look forward to it every single day. It's a very relaxing mobility and strength routine where I also drink my AG1. AG1 is a daily health drink. They actually just updated their formula. I love how easy it is, and I love how good it tastes. It's very tropical. I really like the original flavor. It's my favorite. It's perfect for the morning. Inside AG1, you have over 75 ingredients. Antioxidants, probiotics, functional mushrooms. AG1 Next Gen supports gut health, and it fills in common nutrient gaps. And it feels good knowing that this is clinically shown to fill those gaps. And that's the other thing about AG1 is that they don't just make this product and claim it's magic. They rigorously test it. They do peer-reviewed studies. They invest a lot of money in real research, which is one of the things that separates them from all these other companies out there. And AG1 supports a healthy immune system, which is great this time of year especially. With this new routine, I look forward to getting out of bed. I feel energized afterwards. I feel optimistic and excited to take on the day. So go to drinkag1.com/troutandcoffee or scan the QR code to get 3 free AG1 travel packs and 3 free AGZ travel packs, plus free vitamin D3 plus K2, and an AG1 welcome kit with your first subscription order. So thank you to AG1 for sponsoring this video, for being a seamless part of my routine, and now back to the story. and I got out for my first cross-country ski, which is always a rush, as I grew up skiing and used to race competitively, so being back on the trails always makes me excited and happy. And it feels like exercise hits different in the winter. The cold air just feels so good in the lungs. And while people kept talking about the big storm, there was more good food and more winter activities in the meantime.
First ride of the year, baby.
Go.
What is it, Jan 21?
21.
10 days.
Last year beat by 9 days.
Not bad.
And finally, the day of the storm arrived.
Storm chasers.
decided it would be a perfect day to stay inside and work on the hearth while the snow piled up.
Oh, this is pretty good.
It had snowed all day, was to go all through the night and through the next day. So I knew I needed to plow in waves, as my little machine would not be able to handle the final product all at once.
Glad that guy made us some space for me.
And boy, was it a glorious storm so far. I went to sleep dreaming of the wonderland we'd have and how it would make the winter long and full.
Okay. Getting there.
And I was making time for other things I had been longing to do. After watching enough Bucking Billy Ray, I rehandled my first axe and tried the flick.
Thing's awesome.
I grew up my whole life splitting logs down the middle. But Buckin showed that you can work it from the outside with a flick of the wrist and barely have to bend down. And you finish the entire round in just a few swings. So between various maintenance and chores, we let the mortar cure. Then we sealed the rocks and played a bit more while we let that cure. finally came the day where we mounted up the new heart of the home. And we completed another step in the basement renovation that would very soon change our daily lives.